What do you say? Can you do a ballet move?
I'm gonna go use.
Ooh, where are you going?
Use the lavatory. Remember that.
You going swimming?
Swimming.
Oh, are you gonna go underwater?
Oh, he rolled over in the blanket.
Who did?
Baby.
The baby. Can you sing a song for us? 1.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Z. Next time. Say bye. Blow kisses. Mwah. Love you.
Hey, you're running the line from the. From
Oh,
where
there
you
she
got
is.
your depth up to the.
You want to sing a song next?
Yeah, so that's gonna be the fence up here, about 2 people around. With that mesh wiring, catching that?
See a little Levi over here.